The simplest definition of alt text is that it's a type of text snippet you add to images so search engines know what they depict. But there's a little bit more to it than that, so keep watching. First and foremost, alt text is a type of code that you add to images on your website. This code describes exactly what the images show. So let's say you publish a blog post, and in that blog post, you use this image. When you add some alt text to this image, it might read something like old-fashioned tractor parked in field. That clearly describes what the image shows. Alt text is different from the file name of an image. So your file name might just be tractor.png, but the alt text should be more descriptive. So why use alt text? What does it accomplish? First of all, it's great for helping search engines understand your page a little bit better. If you don't use alt text, a search engine might be able to figure out what some of your images show, but it won't always do the best job. It's way better to just tell them what your images show by using alt text, which they can more easily read. When you do that, it helps search engines figure out the context of the page and rank it for more relevant results. Plus, the images have a higher chance of showing up in the image search results. But alt text doesn't just help search engines, it also helps your users. If someone visits your site and an image fails to load, the alt text will appear in its place, so the site visitor will still be able to tell what the image is supposed to show. Alt text is also readable by screen readers, which is a big help to visually impaired site visitors. There is a such thing as using alt text the wrong way, and you want to make sure to avoid that. Here are a few tips to help you use alt text effectively. Do not keyword stuff. It's okay to include your target keyword in an image alt text if it fits naturally, but don't try and stuff a bunch of keywords in there. It'll become a mess. Going back to that tractor image we used earlier, you wouldn't want the alt text to just say tractor. Instead, describe the image in a little more detail while still keeping it short. You don't need to start off your alt text with the phrase image of or picture of. Search engines already know it's an image. Just describe what the image shows. Using those tips, you'll be able to improve your alt text and give your SEO a big boost. Of course, there are lots of other ways to improve your SEO, and you can learn about them on SEO.com. So, be sure to check out some other helpful content before you leave.